So I got it all buttoned up and ready to go, and yeah, then the fuel pump wasn't working. I don't really know why, but I gotta get it into neutral first of all, or at least get the clutch so I can put it in, get that fixed. But yeah, I don't know what the deal is, so hopefully it starts soon. But yeah, other than that, it's all put together. Check this out. Got the gas tank off, right? I mean, obviously the plastics and the cosmetic stuff, but all mechanically it's ready to go as soon as I can figure out what the problem is. All right, let's start her up. She is ready to go, prepped and ready. So I thought I disconnected the fuel pump, or thought the fuel pump was messed up, but I actually just didn't turn on the kill switch. Shows you that I've been off a bike for too long. All right, well let's start her up. It doesn't have a pipe right now, so it's really freaking loud right there. But nonetheless, we're gonna start her up. Yeah, it's alive! Woo! All right, there it is, man. We'll show you getting it put back together, everything else here shortly. All righty.